Good day, great listeners of St. Pius Foundation and Experts Life Coach and Health Arena. Do not forget, we are still in our series on marriage and relationship. And we are doing this because of the forthcoming, I love to call it the marriage banger, the wonderful marriage guide coming, the life-changing marriage guide that is coming. Watch out for that book. Create space for that marriage guide that is coming. It's coming to change the narrative for relationships and marriages. Get ready for that forthcoming book. It's a great book by the prolific writer, Dr. Ehime Ferguson. It is not just a book. It is divine inspirations and mandates from heaven that went into that book. Wait for it. Just quickly, one of the things I want to say this morning is simply getting ready for marriage. Getting ready for marriage. And here today we are speaking to the minds of our single ladies. We are speaking to the minds of our single uncles. A quick advice for you. It gets to a stage in your life that you should not date a person you know you cannot marry. Get it right. Our topic is getting ready for marriage. And one of the first synopsis I want to say this morning that you should not get into a relationship with somebody you know you cannot marry. I'm not saying you must marry the person. Get the narrative properly. Getting to a relationship for somebody you won't marry, that one is clear. You won't marry such person. You will not marry such person. But it gets to a stage in life, especially the areas around marriage, the ages around marriage. Never you get into a relationship for the fun of it, because things may happen that you don't have choice than to marry. What will not happen? That's one of the reasons for the growing divorces and crises in marriages we're having today. Take note of this. Never you get into a relationship when you are getting ready for marriage, when you're having the intention of getting married. Do not get into a relationship if you know you cannot marry the person. And you cannot marry it until does the person possess the physical feature you desire in a woman? Does the person possess the innermost quality you desire in a woman? If the person possess it, does the person have the health qualification to be your wife? Talking about AS, AA getting married to AS, and AA getting married to AA. So, first point, when you are getting ready for marriage or you are already having the intention, never you be in a relationship with any person you know you cannot marry, should in case the situation arise. This is a fruit for thought. You take it very seriously. Our single ladies, do not get into a relationship if you know you cannot marry the person. Thank you. Watch this space for our forthcoming book. It's a groundbreaking book. It's a life-changing book. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.